MarineMax Lake Wylie coming to you with a Sea Ray 2012 300 Sundeck. This is a 30-foot Sundeck, very popular boat. It's powered by the 8.2 liter Mercruiser stern drive, the Bravo 3 drive, dual props. Lots of space, huge swim platform with seating area on the back, little seating area on the starboard side, little galley prep area. It's got a 12-volt fridge here, trash receptacle here, seating with the table on the port side. This has the sliding seat. This seat slides back and forth to make either a sun lounge or forward-facing seat for the passenger. Helm area. Both of us have digital throttle and shift, VHF Radio, Sony Stereo system with subwoofer, full instrumentation, compass, windshield wiper. Head area here with a vacuum flush head. Very spacious. Very large bow area with armrest, anchor windlass. Very nice size boat. Dual sunshade tops. Very large storage area on the floor. Let's get it up on plane and see what she'll do. Got 389 hours. Very impressive money boat. Very low bow rise. Casual, do a little video to YouTube. Mercruiser for freshwater fluid, little battery system, see us at MarineMax Lake Wylie, or give us a call at 803-831-2101. If you'd like more information on this 2012 Sea Ray 300 Sundeck.